Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I can't remember what's in here, but it was sent by my buddy Kyle, and Kyle always sends cool stuff, so I'm pretty excited to get into it. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other exclusive benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's make sure we're shifted, everything's shifted over to the right so I don't chop into it. What do we have from Kyle? We have red bubble wrap, and we're almost in. Here we go. Okay, interesting. What is going on with the patches here? Okay, well, I'm always happy to look at a Reate. This is different. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, here we go. This is the... Gosh, is it the case? Hang on, let me get the thing out here. Hang on. Oh my gosh, I've heard so much about this. Oh, it's from the Knife Joker. That's why. Is this the K? The information on this knife will absolutely be included, of course, in the title of the unboxing. Is the Reate K something? Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm sorry. This is an unboxing of first impressions, which means this is the very first time that I have handled this knife or experienced it, right? I've only ever just seen pictures and heard it, so this is not a comprehensive review. And for those people wondering, you should know before you unbox. I have so much stuff coming in, so much stuff all the time coming in, and I like to give my organic reaction to things, so it's better for me and my audience if I don't know exactly what it is. But sometimes the end result of that is me not being able to tell you the name in the video, but I will undoubtedly, if this is still available, which I feel like it's sold out right now, but I'll include a link for it down in the description either way so that you can at least go look at it. Oh my goodness. Yes, the flipping action on this is wonderful. I've heard that. And this blue, I guess we're going to call this blue marble carbon. I'm not really sure what we're going to call the material here. Anyways, when I do the full comprehensive review, which will be a few weeks from now, I will give you guys every last little teeny tiny detail of this. I'm sure there are other videos up on YouTube. In fact, I think Dr. Frunky has one on this. So I'd invite you guys to go check out his channel, his video on this. Oh man, I love the profile on that. I love the ergonomics, love the blade shape, love the positioning of the jimping. Man, it is crazy lightweight, and that's probably due to the fact that this side is all carbon fiber. Yeah, see in there? Ooh, big knife, not a lot of weight, beautiful, beautiful flipping action. Oh my goodness, yeah, everything that I've heard about the action, they're getting it past the detemp ball. Everything that I've heard about the action, oh man, that is sweet. What a sweet knife. Very exciting stuff. Let's see if I can show you guys anything else. Is that a zirconium pocket clip? Interesting. I don't know that that is 100% true, but possibly zirconium backspacer and pocket clip. Wow. Okay. It might also just be darkened titanium, but it looks very much like my wedding ring, which I guess is upstairs. I always wear the rubber one when I'm handling knives. Oh boy, nice shouldering back here. Yep. Steel lock bar insert, of course. Nice lockup. How's the centering? Dead on. If you've never experienced a Reate knife, yeah, the quality is completely and totally out of this world for what you're paying for it. These are expensive, but they are head and shoulders above a lot of the high-end production knives we see in the $100 to $300 range. I think this is going to be probably a little bit higher. I can't remember exactly what the price is on this guy. Like I said, I'll give you guys all the details when we do the review. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Thank you very much, Kyle. I think it's Kyle Carries on Instagram, unless I'm remembering the wrong Kyle. In any case, thank you very much, Kyle, for sending this. If you, well, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out, and if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. and have a great day.